This will be the elevators at the South Shore Harbor Resort in Lake City, Texas. Looks like we got a Tyssenkrupp elevator here to ride. Not sure which one we're gonna get. Oh, we got this one. The glass elevators. I like the voice. Alright, let's go down to P. Oh, these are a bit quick.
Cool. Going up.
Pretty sure this is the pool lobby right here. I like the older ceiling accent right here. It's kind of 80s looking. Alright, let's watch going up. Well, as you can see the marina down there.
The 11th floor going down.
I'll get a view from it from the outside. Oh, I've lost my elevator already. I think that's the only one that's working, but this is Clear Lake right here. There's that condo building right over there, as you can see. And there's all the oil refineries over there too. It's a pretty good view. Then down there to the marina. And that's the Hilton right over there. With the Schindler, modernized Schindler elevators. You can hear it going up. Should be coming at any second, but here's a view of the hallway right here. Yeah, it kind of twists and turns a little bit, but there's a fire alarm right there. Yeah, I think one of them's probably only working. Alright, here one coming. Stopped. Yeah, they are kind of busy right now. I probably should have stayed in the elevator, but at least I got a good view out here. Focus. There you go. It's taken for a while. Yeah, definitely this one is only working right here. That door does not sound good at all. And here we go, finally.
The 11th floor going down.
Alright, I'm gonna go to pee. My cab view now. They're fairly quick, they accelerate fast. Look at that car right there. I'm guessing these used to be Dover, and they got modernized by Tyssenkrupp. Hey there.
Cool. Going up.
We got a ticket for one more ride and that'll be it. Gonna watch the indicator this time. Stopped.
Lobby going up.
What? Floor.
7, please.
7.
Thank
There
you.
you go. You're welcome.
You coming up? Oh, shoot.
Oh.
Oh, wrong one. Is it gonna? No, we gone.
I'm pretty sure only this one is working.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. Yeah, fix the other one.
I wish they'd fix that other one because it's a lot of people in the hotel to only have one elevator.
Yeah, these are kind of busy.
They're busy and
Yeah.
they're moving so slow because there's only one that's working.
Alright.
How you doing? Hi there. So send it back for me when you get to 11, okay?
Going
I'll
up.
be right back. Roll it. Where you rolling? Looking for me back down?
You're going up?
It's going up or down?
Oh, it's going up.
Oh.
The 11th floor going down.
I'll go back to the lobby and end the video down there. Stopping.
9th floor going down.
Just go to 4 and then we'll go back up to 5. No, we said, yeah.
Eighth floor going down.
Hello.
Alright.
Where are you trying to go?
Lobby.
Okay.
Where you guys going?
Wherever the world takes us, man.
Shoot. You trying to go with the wind.
Level 4.
Oops.
Stopping at every floor now.
Dang.
Floor going down.
All right, come on in. Where are you trying to go? The lobby?
Of course.
All right, I got you.
Go to
Come
the
on
party
in.
house. What's
All
up?
right.
Whole entire
Get
party
on
in here
in.
now.
Have you been down there yet to eat? Oh, okay. I'm so hot. When I step out this elevator, it feels like heaven, that cold air in there.
4th floor going down.
Don't be sorry, just go ahead. The food was pretty decent. Did you like it? I liked it a lot.
I'm sure it was pretty good.
Oh, they were awesome. The salmon was decent
Lobby
too.
going up.
Here's your focus. Stinks up. Here's your mat fixtures right
Going
here.
up.
I like those grocery store beeps. Oh, it closed already. And that'll be it.